Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make orange lollipops at home. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, 3/4 of a cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of orange extract. You'll also need lollipop sticks, a silicone mold or parchment paper, and a reliable candy thermometer. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and 3/4 of a cup of water. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let the syrup boil. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking until the mixture reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius. Once your syrup hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the saucepan from the heat immediately. This is crucial to prevent overcooking. Carefully and quickly stir in the 1 teaspoon of orange extract. Be cautious, as the steam will be very hot. Then, working quickly, pour the hot syrup into your prepared silicone molds or onto parchment paper, inserting the lollipop sticks as you go. Let them cool completely. After pouring, let your orange lollipops cool undisturbed for at least 30 minutes, or until they are completely firm. Once cooled, carefully remove them from the molds. To keep them from getting sticky, wrap each lollipop individually in cellophane or small plastic bags. This helps preserve their texture and flavor. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.